Now 11th question is find the center and the radius of the given equation. So here he asking us to find the center and the radius of the given equation. Solution here, here we know already it is become like x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We know already this. From this we can find center and radius also. So here actually with this the center is minus g comma minus f, and the radius is how much? R is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. So these we know. So from given question we have to find every question. There are how many questions are there? 11th one there is 8 questions are there. So all questions are we have to do same like this only. So from this here here 2g is equal to minus 4. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, and g is equal to minus 2 here, and 2fi means 2f is equal to minus 8. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, so y f is equal to minus 4, and center will become minus g comma minus f means no, so it will become 4, it will become minus 2. So 2 comma 4 it will become, because it is minus g, it is minus, it will become plus, so it will become 2 comma 4. Now r is equal to radius is equal to under root of 4 square plus 2 square minus c is equal to how much? C is equal to how much? Minus 41. So it will become plus 41. But r is equal to under root of 16 plus 4 plus 41. So it will become how much? It will become 20 plus 41, 61 under root of. So this is answer. Radius is equal to under root of 61. Now solution same here, but we have to divide this total equation by 3, because we have to we have to make it in the x square plus y square form. So 5 by 3 x plus minus 6 by 3 y plus 4, what is this, 4 only, no, 4 by 3 is equal to 0. So here center we have to find minus g comma minus f. Okay, here 2g is equal to minus 5 by 3, means we will get how much we will get? G is equal to minus 5 by 6 will get. After that we have to do 6 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, no, so 2 by, so 2f is equal to 2. So here minus 2, 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will get cancel, and we get 1 only. So f is equal to minus 1. Now it will become 5 by 6 comma 1 is the center. Now under root of r is equal to under root of g square. G square is how much? Here 5 by 6 whole square plus f is equal to minus 1 whole square. C is equal to how much? Plus 4 means minus 4 here. So it will become 25 by 36 plus 1, and minus 4 by 3 will divide it, na? So minus 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 under root, and it will become, what can it will become? 25 plus 36 minus 3 12 4 48 divided by 36, and it will become under root of, so this total will become 13 divided by 6. This is under root. Now answer is r is equal to root 13 divided by 6. Now 12th one, 11th one, third problem. So here I will do one questions. Okay, so next one you do. So here it will become 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 12y minus 1 is equal to 0. From this we can write it as x square plus y square plus 6x by 6 3 will divide total by 3. It will become 6 by 3x minus 12 by 3y minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So it will become x square plus y square plus 2x minus 3 4 ja 12, 4y minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So here r is equal to under root of, first we have to find a center, no. So g is equal to So g is equal to 2g is equal to how much? 2 only. G is equal to 1 and f is equal to minus 4. So 2f is equal to minus 2 and center is minus 1 comma 2. Now g square plus f square minus c, it is equal to, under g square means how much? 1 square plus f square is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3, it will become under root of 1 plus 4 minus 1 by 3, it will become 5. 5 means 5 only here, and it will become here 1 minus 1 by 3, already it minus, it will become plus 3 plus 1 by 3. So it will become, we can write it as 3 plus 12 plus 1 by 3 under root, and it will become 3 plus 12 15 plus 16 by 3 under root. We can write it as 4 by root 3. 4 into root 3 divided by 3, answer. Now fourth one you do. Okay, I will go for the fifth one. Solution here. 2x square will divide total by the 2, x square plus y square, it will become total minus 2x plus 3y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So here from this minus g is minus 2g is equal to minus 2 we can write, and g is equal to minus 1, and 2f is equal to, we can write it as 3, and it will become f is equal to 3 by 2. So center is minus g comma minus f, no. So for this it will become 1 comma minus 3 by 2. So r is equal to radius under root of g square plus f square minus c. So it will become g square is equal to how much? 1. F square is equal to how much? Minus 3 by 2 whole square, minus already minus 3 by 2 is become plus 3 by 2. Okay. So from this we can write it as under root of 1 plus 9 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So LCM is 4 here, and it will become under root of 4 plus 9 plus 6 divided by 4. Under root of 9 means how much? 15 plus 14, 19 by 4. Root 19 divided by 2, answer. So sixth one you do one, and we'll go for next one. Here solution, we divide this total by this one. So means x square plus y square minus 2cx divided by under root of 1 plus m square minus 2mcy divided by under root of 1 plus m square is equal to 0 here. So 2g is equal to how much we get? 2gx means 2c divided by under root of 1 plus m square, and 2f is equal to, we get mc divided by 2mc. Okay, 2mc divided by under root of 1 plus m square. So 2 will get cancelled here. Okay, so g is equal to, we get minus g comma minus f is equal to minus c by under root of 1 plus m square comma minus c by mc by under root of 1 plus m square. So this will get. So here one thing we have to find now. So r is equal to, we have to find under root of c square divided by 1 plus m square, and here m square c square divided by under root of means root will get cancelled, and plus 1 plus m whole square. So we'll get like this here. Okay. So from this under root of, we can write like this. How can we write like this? C square into 1 plus m square divided by 1 plus m square. So sir, how you will write like this? Means it is because r is equal to g square plus f square minus c, no. So c is not there, so I'm writing like this. G is equal to c by 1 under root of 1 under root of 1 plus m square, no. So square will get cancelled, it will become square root will get cancelled in denominator and will c square remain, and it will become m square c square, and root will also cancel here, so it will become 1 plus m square. So LCM is 1 plus m square, and it will become, I will common 1 plus m c square common from these both one, and 1 plus c square will remain here. So these two things cancel, and under root of c square will get c root and square will get cancel, and c is the answer here. So r is equal to c. I am doing fast solutions because there is less time, many problems, many questions are there in this exercise. There are number of questions are there in this exercise. That's why first bit only not did up to. So that's why I'm doing fast for your convenience. You can slow this video, you can watch the solutions. Okay. Here solution x square y square plus 2g x, here given 2g is equal to 2a, and 2f is equal to minus 2b, sorry 2b, okay 2b. Here 2 will get cancelled, g is equal to a, and f is equal to minus b. Here minus g comma center, minus g comma minus f is equal to minus a comma b. Origin, radius under root of g square. G square means how much? A square plus g square plus f square means b square minus c. C means how much here? C means b square, no? So b square will get cancelled under root of a square. R is equal to square root and root 2 square, and square root will get cancelled. R is equal to a. R is equal to a is the answer here.